99% of people ignore these investing secrets, but those who use them get rich. What if I told you that you could be making money while you sleep? Sounds impossible. Well, let me show you how day trading can help you achieve exactly that. Whether you're tired of your 9-to-5 job or just want to multiply your wealth faster, this video is for you. 2025 is the year you take control of your financial future. But before you dive in, let's talk about what day trading really is and how you can get started safely, confidently, and with the right strategy. But before we get into the details, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich from the stock market while others struggle to make a profit? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of day trading so you're not left behind. Stick around because you won't want to miss the last strategy I'll share. It's a game changer. 1. What is day trading? First things first, let's get clear on what day trading actually is. Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments, like stocks, options, or forex, within a single trading day. That's right. No overnight holding, no waiting for weeks to see results. But before you get excited, let me throw a little reality check your way. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick game. It requires skill, discipline, and strategy. In fact, 90% of day traders fail within their first year. And if you think you can just jump in without proper knowledge, well, prepare for disappointment. 2. The benefits of day trading. Now, let's talk about why day trading is so enticing. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about freedom. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and generate income while others are stuck at their desks. But here's the kicker. Day trading has the potential to make you a lot of money, if done right. Unlike long-term investing, where you wait years to see profits, day trading allows you to take advantage of daily price fluctuations. With the right strategies, you can consistently earn profits and over time, grow your wealth exponentially. 3. How to start. The basics. All right, now let's talk about how to start. The first step in day trading is to open a trading account with a brokerage. In 2025, there are so many platforms out there: Robinhood, Webull, EatRate, and more. But here's the deal. Not all brokers are created equal. You need a platform that offers low commissions, great customer support, and fast executions. Trust me, the last thing you want is to miss a trade because your platform was slow. Choose wisely, because this will be the tool you rely on every single day. But here's a secret. Successful traders don't just use any platform. They pick one that matches their style and needs. So do your homework. 4. The strategies you need to know. Let's get into the good stuff. Day trading isn't about blind luck. It's about strategy. And there are a few key strategies you must know to succeed. First, we have scalping, which involves making small profits from multiple trades throughout the day. This is great for those of you who want to stay active and sharp. Next is momentum trading, where you capitalize on trending stocks. It's fast, exciting, but also risky. But hey, high risk, high reward, right? And finally, we have news-based trading. This one's powerful because you can trade based on major events like earnings reports or political news. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you're not getting caught up in the hype. React quickly, and you can make big profits. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into these strategies in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed, because you'll need this knowledge if you want to get serious. 5. Final thoughts. Are you ready to start? Day trading can be your ticket to financial freedom, but it's not for the faint-hearted. It takes commitment, strategy, and a whole lot of learning. But if you're determined, and if you're willing to put in the work, you can make day trading a reliable source of income.